Did you do 20 on the Jordans?
20?
20 bucks?
Let me talk to my boss, okay?
Okay.
Doing great.
No, I don't know. Yeah. Room 6 is great.
You too, Jim. Bye-bye. All right, bye-bye.
Sure. You can buy it. And you can put stuff
Yes, they're right there. Oh, yeah.
I got you, girl.
It was that salvage repair.
Just the line.
Thank you.
Concrete fingers over here. You enjoy. All right, what do you have?
Like a little tomato press. I'm not really sure how much it was this thing on the ground over there.
Okay, will you take $2?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. What are you gonna make?
Ketchup? I don't know.
Tomatoes. I like it.
Kind of cool.
It is kind of cool. Sweet.
1, 2.
All right, have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Tomato freeze.
Yeah, we watched it last night on that Kansas Steelers. I think it was okay. Yeah.
It's mowing the lawn. How's it going?
It's going good. How are you?
Pretty good.
You want a mission this morning?
Yeah. You timed it well with the big sale right there.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna. I just started Wednesday, Thursday.
I think
But
most
you know
people
what?
like
a lot
me.
of this stuff I sell online and,
Oh, okay.
And on eBay, and I figured, you know what, just see if I can sell it cheaper. And
Yeah, might as well if people are coming
exactly.
by.
When I saw that, I'm like,
What are
"Ooh,
these?
Yeah. I have no idea. I guess they're supposed to light up and they.
Oh, like
connect.
Tetris.
Oh, is that what that is? Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Tetris. Interesting.
And I don't know how they light up, but,
Yeah, I don't know. Oh,
but it doesn't have the.
battery or something.
Yeah.
Pretty nifty.
It's basically junk.
That's what it all is, really. That's why we do this. And
I'm into vintage stuff.
yeah, that's cool. That's an older seat.
Yeah.
1976. That's cool.
Those are 10.
Okay.
Hello. You got some loud wildlife here, huh?
Yeah.
Feel like you're surrounded.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy out here. Used to get
possums. Before the subdivision came in, we used to get possums in our garage a lot.
Really?
Yeah, they don't come around much anymore. I think they're,
All the people scared them away.
yeah. I've got some a few things of men's clothes over here,
Okay.
and then on the right up here in the garage.
Okay. Cool.
Yard sales out today?
Bunch of ads for yard sales, but then when I get there, they're not there.
Oh, really?
And people got scared because it said it was going to thunderstorm. How much did you want for these? What about the calculator?
I don't know what that is. It's hers.
Ah, okay.
I'll ask her. She'll be right back. All this is actually hers. But...
Yeah, okay. Well, maybe I'll, what is that? Pocket monkey.
Yeah, this little tool that's supposed to do everything.
It's kind of cool. Fits in your wallet.
Yep.
All right.
Morning, how are you?
I'm all right. A little muggy already.
Oh, yeah. It's horrible out here today. I'm asking you about the calculator and yeah.
You still? Oh, you left stuff here and moved out?
Yeah. Like, where did all this stuff come from?
Maybe they will put it in while you were gone.
That just tells you how little you do need. You've been living down there fine without this stuff. I know.
Yeah, I need to be home just cleaning my building out instead of out here looking for stuff.
Well, he said, I don't want to die and leave a mess for everyone to clean up.
Yeah. That's what my daughter said. Taylor, why don't you clean that mess up so we ain't got to deal with it. I said, I ain't trying to-
Well, how much for these three?
How about just 7 for all of it? 5 for all of it?
3? What's the most expensive thing that I can take out? Calculator?
Yeah, I think that's a pretty nice calculator, isn't it?
$1 and $1 for this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm cheap. Oh, of course. Oh, I got it a 5.
Look at everyone with the design, you got everything. Well, her dad, he's moved in with them, so
Oh, that's cool. Found one more thing in that box over there.
Yeah.
How much is that?
I don't know, quarter? 50 cents?
Did the weed eater work?
Weed eater's not for sale.
Oh,
Sorry.
Oh, that's that thing for sale, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's some clothes in there for sale.
No, I don't want any more clothes.
My husband might be upset if I got rid of his weed eater.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep, thanks.
You guys have a good one.
Thank you, too.
cool. Like little binoculars. And they actually work. Get you a pretty good zoom. I don't know if these are worth anything, but made in Japan. Sistar lenses. Maybe gotta clean it up a little.
Hay café también para que se lo prepare. No, hoy te damos una sodita, no te preocupes. Una soda, un agua. ¿Cuántos los
zapatos acomodan?
Ahí dice. ¿Algo?
How much?
Give me $2.
Thank you. No. I'd do $1 on it.
Okay, thank you.
$1? Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
All right.
Would you do 20 on the Jordans?
20?
20 bucks?
Let me talk to my boss, okay?
Okay.
What is 25?
22. 22?
Yeah.
No, she said yes to 20.
Okay.
I'm buying from her. Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
have a good one. No, I got him. Thank you.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
Look how nice they are.
I like. Yeah, I like them. All right, guys, I'm back from my garage sailing today, and let's go over what I got real quick. So, first thing I got, one of the most exciting things, I think, was these Air Jordans. These are the Son of Mars Brooklyn Air Jordans. They're size 11. I almost didn't buy them, but I looked them up in my car and saw they were selling for around 100 bucks. So I figured I'd go back. I think they were 20 bucks that I spent for them. So I'm going to list those on eBay. Hopefully I can get something out of them. I got this little lion. So this one I kind of got just for me because it's Ringling Brothers. This I actually remember from my childhood when I used to go to the circus. And, you know, love The Greatest Showman, so I thought it'd be cool. I think I negotiated this down to $1. I think we'd sell it on eBay for 10 to 15 bucks, but I might keep it because I like it. I got these little ketchup things. I have not looked them up yet, but they were really for me to keep because I got my griddle over there, and as you can see, I use these little bottles for oil and other things for the griddle. I got this little guy. It's a crystal lens made in Japan binocular. Push a little button. You can look through it. It's really cool. I got it because I thought it was cool. It's made in Japan, but I looked it up. It's only worth like 10 bucks, so maybe 15. I don't know. I might keep it, might try to sell it. I got this thing. I didn't look it up yet. I I got it because it's brand new, but it's probably worth $5. I don't even think I'll sell it. I might just put it in my wallet and use it. Last was actually the first thing I found on my trip today was this tomato press. Yeah, tomato press from Velox. This one is, I think I paid $2 for it. I think it's to make ketchup or something. I got it because it was cool and old school. I wonder, maybe there's a year on it. Made in Italy. And I don't know if I see a year, but I looked it up on eBay. It looks like it's selling for $30. So thanks for joining me, and see you next time.